Join me as I challenge myself to experience the wildest 5 days of my life in Las Vegas. Can I handle all the adventures this city has to offer? Imagine a place where the lights never dim, the energy pulses 24/7, and the possibilities are endless. Welcome to Las Vegas, where the city that never sleeps is ready to take you on the wildest ride of your life. With a destination that's always buzzing with activity, the question is, where do you even begin? As you plan your adventure, you're hit with an overwhelming sense of FOMO, fear of missing out. There are so many incredible experiences to choose from, and you don't want to miss a single one. From world-class shows to adrenaline-pumping activities, top-notch dining to exclusive nightlife, the options are endless, and the pressure's on to make every moment count. You start scrolling through social media, and suddenly, you're drowning in a sea of must-see attractions, can't-miss events, and off-the-beaten-path gems. Your friends, family, and even strangers are all weighing in with their own Vegas stories, recommendations, and warnings. It's enough to make your head spin. As you sit amidst the chaos of planning, you start to wonder if it's even possible to experience the real Vegas, the way the locals do. Can you truly tap into the city's vibrant energy, uncover its hidden secrets, and make unforgettable memories that'll last a lifetime? Day 1 is all about setting the tone for an unforgettable adventure. You kick off with a helicopter tour over the Grand Canyon, taking in breathtaking views of one of the world's most iconic natural wonders. Afterward, you head to the Fountains of Bellagio, where the stunning display of water, music, and light leaves you awestruck. On Day 2, you dive into the city's vibrant art scene, exploring the downtown Container Park, where interactive installations, street art, and eclectic shops showcase Vegas's creative side. Later, you treat yourself to a world-class dinner at one of the many celebrity chef restaurants, savoring every bite of the exquisite cuisine. Day 3 is all about adrenaline. You start with a heart-pounding ride on the Big Shot at the Stratosphere, before taking a leap of faith on the Sky Jump, where you'll experience the ultimate rush of free-falling 829 feet. As the sun sets, you head to the Link Promenade, where the high roller observation wheel offers breathtaking views of the Strip. On Day 4, you tap into Vegas's rich history visiting the Mob Museum, where you'll uncover the darker side of the city's past. In the evening, you take in the awe-inspiring scenery of the Red Rock Canyon, watching the sunset over the stunning natural landscape. Day 5 is all about going out with a bang. You start with a once-in-a-lifetime experience, taking a private tour of the iconic Neon Museum where you'll get up close and personal with the retired signs of Vegas's past. Later you let loose at one of the city's hottest nightclubs, dancing the night away with world-class DJs and performers. This has been the wildest 5 days of my life in Las Vegas, and I'm still reeling from the non-stop action, unforgettable experiences, and lifelong memories. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a foodie, an art lover, or simply looking for a break from the ordinary, Vegas has something for everyone. If you've ever been to Las Vegas, I want to hear about your wildest adventures in the comments below. And if you're looking for more travel inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos for the ultimate travel tips and tricks.